This is a backup file created by the old FileWrangler software. It is a legacy backup format. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's discuss recovery. Quick sidebar. For future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering FWB files with corrupted internal metadata. FWB files are backup files created by FileWrangler, a file management and synchronization tool. These files contain copies of data that can be used to restore lost or corrupted files. They are essential for data protection and disaster recovery. FWB files typically contain compressed or archived versions of the original files. The specific format and compression algorithm used may vary depending on the version of FileWrangler. The files are designed to be easily restored using the FileWrangler software. The fundamental reading standard for FWB is set by FileWrangler from Cursor Arts. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows only recognizes the file type, while actual data access requires the proper backup application. The easiest solution is often finding the right app. Right-click the FWB file and choose Open With. Start with FileWrangler if available. If not, choose another option. Expect a little trial and error. If you cannot access the FWB file, no problem. When the simple solution doesn't stick, so let's get technical. We are moving straight into these 3 focused troubleshooting steps now. First, use FireWrangler. Open the file using FireWrangler, the required application for the backup. Next, use Restore function. Launch the application and use its Restore function to load the backup. Finally, check for corruption. If the file won't load, try re-downloading it or ask the sender for a fresh copy. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.